Hello everyone and welcome to Modern Survivalist. Today I will be teaching you a way to trade stocks using military rank and strategy. In Modern Survivalist's stock trading for the military mind. If you're active military or a veteran and new to the stock market, don't worry. Trading stocks has a lot more in parallel with military strategy than you think. Placing your trades is not unlike placing your troops on the battlefield. The stock market itself is not unlike a battlefield with areas of high priority and strategic importance. You, as a current or former military member, already understand these concepts. So now, let's apply them to trading in the stock market. First, let's break down Rankin Structure and how it applies to the stock market. Think of your money as your own personal army. For each dollar amount that you put into the market, it commands a certain level of power, just like military rank. For instance, if you put a low amount into a stock, it would be much akin to putting an infantryman into an area on the battlefield. However, if you put a large amount into a stock, it would be much more akin to putting something of higher value into the battlefield, like a jet. Here is the rank and structure that I have come up with for my own personal trades. Notice how each dollar amount has its own military rank and unit associated with it, with the lower dollar amounts being infantry units in an escalating power scale, and the larger dollar amounts being the higher value military units. This is to give you a better idea of how much power each dollar amount commands on the battlefield. Now let's move on to the battlefield itself, all of the companies available for trade. Think of the entire market as a top-down map, with zones designated for each general market sector. Each stock that you pick will be inside one of these sectors. This is not to say, however, that every stock inside a sector is the same. After all, many companies hold much more strategical value than others. This value, however, must be determined by you yourself, as no company's strategical value and importance is set in stone. Now that you have your ranks in your map, you are ready to play. But before you start, it is important to understand your own personal worth and how much rank and power you yourself have as a commander. Here is the personal rank chart. You will use it to determine your own personal rank. First, count all of the money you have for trading. Whatever dollar amount you surpass on the chart is your own personal rank. Keep this in mind when you are playing. Commanders of low rank should not spread themselves too thin and risk losing everything. In short, know how powerful you are and know your limits. Alright everyone, that pretty much sums up the video. If you would like to download any of the charts seen in today's video, you can find them linked in the description below. Also, for those of you who are completely new to the stock market, I suggest you check out my other stock market videos. They will really get you all of the information you need and start it off right. You can find these videos in the stock market playlist on my channel page. Thanks for watching everyone, and I will see you next time.